You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly once and for all. Biblical word. If you want to learn more names from the Bible, stay tuned. Zuphite is the most correct English pronunciation. You really need to watch that video about how to pronounce Zuf or Zuf correctly to understand why Zuphite is the most common and correct pronunciation. I'll link to that Zuf video right here. Watch this and you'll understand why Zuphite is the most correct pronunciation in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.